What I like about Bonsi is it's very easy. You can take it anywhere you want to, and I can just blend my drinks wherever I am. And you can blend it in your own insulated cups. Bonsi Blend attaches to RTIC, Hydro Flask, and Yetis. I use Bonsi 1 or 2 times a day. For me, because I am so active, I like to take it to the gym, I like to take it to the beach, I like to take it to the poolside. I think the power of it is really amazing. It blends ice really, really easy, and it keeps everything cold. You don't have to rush to drink it. Especially in the morning, if I don't want to grab anything heavy to eat, I will just put all my fruits in my cup in the morning and then take the blender with me as well, and I have a little breakfast in the morning. So I know when I get back, my smoothie is still gonna be cold. It's still gonna have that slushy feeling to it and consistency.